evening, everybody. Efforts here to stop the coronavirus from spreading are ramping up.
There's a lot to cover tonight, but here's what you need to know. This afternoon, Governor Ige issued an emergency proclamation. It'll allow the state to provide disaster relief if and when it's needed.
We can also expect fewer flights from some airlines. Korean Airlines now announcing it's reducing flights between South Korea and Hawaii beginning this week. Direct flights between Incheon and other U.S. cities will stop on Monday.
And United Airlines says it's cutting flights within the U.S., the first carrier to do so. Starting next month, United will axe flights in the U.S. and Canada by 10% and overseas flights by 20%.
And from Capitol Hill, the U.S. House passed an $8.3 billion spending bill to fight the outbreak, $4.5 billion of which will go to Hawaii. The Senate will vote on the measure tomorrow.
Honolulu, Maui, and Kauai counties also issuing emergency proclamations. Hawaii County already proclaimed one back in February.
Officials are still optimistic that Hawaii's tourism-based economy will bounce back from the impacts of the virus. Fortunately, again, there's no outbreak here, but what's happening around the globe, things changing daily.
Sam Spangler has more in a story new at 10.
The state has already seen tourism numbers declining a bit due to coronavirus fears, as well as outbreaks in other countries that are some of Hawaii's largest tourism markets. Now, state officials wanted to emphasize today that the proclamation was to help calm those worries with preparedness.
I call it a preparedness proclamation. We don't want to have people overreact or unnecessarily scare people.
Very vulnerable individuals.
Cutting through procurement red tape to get funds, supplies, even implement laws can now all be done rapidly.
We recognize it was no longer about containment and quarantine. It was really about mitigation. And we also recognize at that point that part of it is having the flexibility to really address that as this virus changes and develops.
Thanks for joining us here this afternoon.
Caldwell says minimizing the spread of the virus and staying prepared are the ways to save the health and financial security of Hawaii residents.
If we do the proper things on mitigation, we'll see it like a flu season. You know, there are more people get sick than otherwise would be the case. And if we do things properly, it'll start to come down a little more quickly and we can return back.
The mayor thinks tourists will return once travel fears are overcome. A Theory UH tourism professor, Dr. Jerry Agrusa, co-signs.
I think if we contain it well, we actually will see a small dip. But if we see a kind of a shift, then I think we'll go down and then we'll bounce back very quickly.
Hawaii Tourism and Lodging President Mufi Hanneman says the next few months will be big in seeing what the future holds for our economy.
It's going to be a down year, if you will, in terms of the projections that were originally thought of before this whole outbreak occurred. So February will still be a good month, but the telltale sign will be what happens in March, April, and May.
Dr. Agrusa added that with occupancy rates on Oahu being over 90% for many hotels over the past 3 years, many hotels as well as their staff will welcome a temporary dip in occupancy to help lighten working conditions. Reporting from Honolulu, Sam Spangler, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.